Hi, my name is Shivesh Katewa. I'm 35 years old. I work for a post-production studio called Splice Studios in Bombay. I am from Bombay. Um, Before I started the Who Am I workshop, I was quite an egoistic person, had a lot of pride. I had temper issues, and I didn't know what I was going for exactly. But when I came in here, there's a lot of change I felt in myself. Uh, there were so many things that were in me since childhood, which the facilitators and everybody just got it out so smoothly, and it was related to my mother. And when they got it out, there was so much of freedom I felt within myself. My body felt the change as well, not just my mind. And in these 5 days, I felt my pride I could let go of, my ego I could let go of, be more vulnerable with people, be a happier person overall. And today, after 5 days, when I'm walking out, I'm so much happier and I'm so excited to go back there and put it in practice and help others as well with it. So, yes, I thank everybody. I really, really thank you all for helping me out and making me a better person. Thank you.